In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Firebase for a React Native app on Android and iOS. Before we begin, make sure you have your React Native project ready. We're just connecting it to Firebase and putting the configuration files in the right places, so you won't need to write code in this video. You will, however, need access to the Firebase console in a browser. Start by heading to the Firebase console and creating a new project. Give it a clear name that matches your app or your organization's naming style. The default settings are fine for most cases. You can skip optional services for now and always enable them later if you need them. Once the project is created, you'll land on your project dashboard. Next, register your Android app inside this Firebase project. Click to add an Android app and enter your Android package name exactly as it appears in your React Native project. You can confirm it by opening android/appr-build.gradle and checking the application EHOD value. This must match character for character, including dots in case. You can leave the other fields as optional for now. After you register, download the Google Services JSON file. Place this file in your project at Android WAS app. Make sure the file name remains Google Services.json and that it sits directly inside the app folder, not in a nested build or debug directory. If your project uses multiple build variants, keep the file at Android.app unless your setup requires a flavor-specific path. It's a good idea to commit this file with your project, but avoid sharing it publicly. Now register your iOS app in the same Firebase project. Click to add an iOS app and enter the iOS bundle identifier. Open the iOS workspace in Xcode, select your app target, and copy the bundle identifier from the General tab under Identity. This must match exactly. After registering, download the Google Service info.plist file. Open your project in Xcode, right-click the project name in the Project Navigator, choose Add Files to your project, select Google Service info.plist, and ensure Copy Items if needed is checked before adding. This places the file inside your project, so Xcode includes it in the build. Confirm it's added to your main app target in the Target Membership panel. That's it for the initial Firebase setup. You've created a Firebase project, registered both Android and iOS apps, and placed the configuration files where they belong. From here, you can proceed to install the Firebase SDKs in your React Native app and build your project to verify the connection. If anything doesn't match, double-check the package name and bundle identifier, as those are the most common sources of setup issues.